Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Snapchat offline. Now you have to understand that Snapchat requires an internet connection to send a new content. You could use a few workarounds to create and view Snap offline as well. Now basically what you could do is here you could simply open up your Snapchat application, and next you could then go ahead and take a snap. All right, when you do this you could send it, and once you do it so you could send it, and later when you're connected to an internet you could go ahead and, or it's gonna be automatically sent. And other than that, you could also use this feature to actually see the snap if it was already connected to an internet previously. Only then you'll be able to see the snap. Otherwise there is no way you'll be able to use Snapchat offline. And apart from it, you could also take a snap or maybe take a photo using some of the filters that was already installed or that was already loaded up while you're connected to the internet. And that is the way you could use Snapchat offline. So apart from it, there are no other way you could use Snapchat offline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.